Hello everyone! Welcome back to our English listening channel. Today, we will follow a simple conversation about going to a hospital. You will listen to a practical story about visiting a doctor. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly. Please relax and enjoy. Before we begin, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully and try to find the answer. This will help you understand English better. Here is the question for today. What 3 items does Mina need to bring to the hospital? The answer is in the conversation. If you find it, please write your answer in the comments. Writing your answer in English will help you improve faster. All right, let's start. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Hey, Mina. How are you feeling today?
Hi, Ken. I don't feel very good today.
Oh, no. What's the matter?
I have a headache. My head really hurts.
That sounds bad. Do you have any other symptoms?
Yes, I feel really tired, and my body feels hot.
Does your throat hurt too?
A little, but not too much.
I see. Do you think you have a fever?
I think so. I checked my temperature this morning. It was 37.8.
37.8. That's a fever. When did you start feeling this way?
I started feeling sick last night. I couldn't sleep well.
That's not good at all. Did you eat breakfast?
No, I didn't feel hungry. I only drank some water.
You should try to eat something later. Maybe something warm.
Yeah, maybe I'll have some soup later.
That's a good idea. You know, I think it would be best if you saw a doctor.
Really? Do I need to go to a hospital?
Yes, it's better to go early. Waiting too long can make it worse.
You're right, but I feel a bit anxious. I don't know what to say there.
Don't worry, I'll go with you. I'll help you. It's not difficult.
Thank you, Ken. That's really kind of you.
Of course. Let's get ready to go.
Okay, let me change my clothes first.
Sure. Before we leave, let's check if you have everything. Do you have your insurance card?
My insurance card. Wait, let me look for it.
It's very important. Without it, hospital fees are much higher.
Found it. It was in my wallet.
Good. Do you have some cash?
Yes, I have about 3,000 yen. Is that enough?
Yes. With insurance, you'll pay around 1,000 to 3,000 yen.
Great. Do I need anything else?
How about your ID, like your student ID?
Yes, I have my student ID in my bag.
Perfect. So you have your insurance card, cash, and ID. That's everything.
Oh, should I bring my medicine record book too?
Yes, that's a good idea. The doctor can check your past medications.
Okay, I have it. I'm ready.
Excellent. Do you have everything now?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's go.
The hospital is close. We can walk there in about 10 minutes.
I can't walk far today.
Don't worry, we'll walk slowly.
Thank you. You're very kind, Ken.
Let's go. Fresh air might help you feel a bit better.
I hope so. Ken, what should I do first when we get to the hospital?
First, you go to the reception desk and tell them you want to see a doctor.
Reception desk first. Got it. Then what?
After that, you wait a little, and then the doctor will see you. It's very simple.
Okay. I hope it's not too confusing.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hello, I would like to see a doctor, please.
Sure. Is this your first visit here?
Yes, this is my first time.
What seems to be the problem today?
I have a headache, a fever, and I feel very tired.
I see. When did your symptoms start?
They started last night.
Do you have any allergies to medicine?
No, I don't have any allergies.
Good. Do you have your insurance card?
Yes, here it is. Thank you. I'll make a copy and return it soon. Sure, thank you.
Here is your card back. Please fill out this form with your name, address, birthday, and phone number.
Okay, I will write it now.
Also, write your symptoms on the form like headache or fever.
I understand. I'll write that too.
If anything is unclear on the form, please ask me.
Thank you, that helps a lot.
Take your time and bring it back when you're finished.
I'm done here.
Thank you. Please sit in the waiting area. We will call your name soon.
Okay, thank you very much.
You did well. How are you feeling?
I was nervous, but it's okay. I still feel tired.
I know, but you spoke clearly. Let's wait a bit. You can rest.
How long will we wait?
Maybe 15 or 20 minutes?
Okay, I hope it won't be too long.
Are you okay? You look a little pale.
I'm okay. My head still hurts a bit, but I feel better than this morning.
Do you want some water? There's a machine over there.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Here you go, 1 bottle of water.
Thank you so much. You're very kind.
Drink slowly. Don't gulp it down.
Okay, I'll drink slowly.
That's what friends do. I'm glad I came with you. You'll be fine. The doctor will help.
I hope so.
There are many people today. Hospitals are usually busy in the morning.
What should I say to the doctor?
Just tell the doctor your symptoms. Use short sentences like, I have a headache or I have a fever.
Short sentences. I can do that.
Yes, just relax.
Oh, I think they called my name.
Let's go. Good luck.
Thank you. I'll go now.
Hello. Please come in and have a seat.
Thank you.
I am Dr. Tanaka.
Nice to meet you, Dr. Tanaka.
Nice to meet you. What brings you in today?
I have a headache, a fever, and I feel very tired.
I see. How long have these symptoms been bothering you?
Since last night.
Does your throat hurt at all?
It hurts a little when I swallow.
Do you have a cough?
No, I don't have a cough.
How about a runny nose?
Just a little.
Did you eat anything today?
No, I wasn't hungry this morning.
And did you sleep well last night?
Not really. I woke up many times.
Let me check your temperature. 37.9. You have a fever.
Is it serious?
Don't worry, it's not too bad. Let me look at your throat. Please open your mouth and say ah. Ah. Your throat is a little red. I think you have a cold.
Just a cold? That's a relief.
Yes, I'll give you some medicine, one for your headache and one for your fever. How should I take them? Take the medicine 3 times a day after meals.
Okay.
If it makes you sleepy, that's normal, so don't worry. Good to know. Also, rest a lot, drink plenty of water, stay warm, and sleep well. I will rest and drink water. Eat light meals too, like soup or porridge.
Can I go to school tomorrow?
Rest at home for 1 or 2 days. Don't push yourself.
I understand. I'll stay home and rest.
If you don't feel better in 3 days, come back.
Okay, I'll return if necessary.
Can I take a bath tonight? If your fever goes down, a short bath is fine. Otherwise, use a warm towel. I understand. Thank you very much, Dr. Tanaka. You're welcome. Take care and get well soon. Goodbye.
Hello again. Here is my payment.
Hello. That will be 1,500 yen.
1,500 yen. Okay, can I pay with cash?
Yes, cash is fine. We also accept credit cards.
I'll pay with cash. Here you are, 2,000 yen.
Thank you. Here's your change, 500 yen.
Thank you. Can I get a receipt, please?
Of course. Here's your receipt and the prescription paper.
Thank you. Where do I go next?
Take this paper to the pharmacy next to the hospital on the left.
What do I do there?
Give them the paper and they will prepare your medicine. It usually takes 5 to 10 minutes.
That sounds easy.
Yes, they will give you your medicine quickly.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Take care, and I hope you feel better soon.
If you need to come back, remember to bring your insurance card again.
Okay, I'll remember. Thank you.
You did really well today. How do you feel now?
I feel a little better. I'm happy it's over.
What did the doctor say?
He said I have a cold and gave me medicine for my headache and fever.
That's good. Just a cold, not too serious.
Yes, he also said I should rest and drink plenty of water.
See? Going to a hospital in English isn't so hard.
You're right. It was easier than I expected.
Let's review what we did today.
Sure.
First, we went to the reception desk.
Yes, I said I would like to see a doctor, gave my insurance card, and filled out a form.
Then we waited in the waiting area.
About 15 minutes. It wasn't too long.
After that, you went to see the doctor.
He asked about my symptoms. I said, I have a headache, I have a fever, I feel very tired. He checked my temperature and looked at my throat. It was easy.
How did you describe your problems?
I used short sentences like, I have a headache, I have a fever, my throat hurts. Short sentences are best.
And after the doctor?
I paid at the counter. I asked, how much is it? It was 1,500 yen, not expensive. Insurance helps a lot.
Then you got your medicine paper and went to the pharmacy.
Yes, it's next to the hospital. I gave them the paper, waited a few minutes, and received my medicine.
So the steps are reception, waiting room, doctor, payment, and pharmacy.
Yes, 5 simple steps.
You also learned useful phrases like, I would like to see a doctor, I have a headache, here is my insurance card, and how much is it?
Very useful. Going to a hospital in English isn't scary at all.
Everyone at the hospital was friendly too. You worried for nothing.
Thank you for helping me, Ken.
You're welcome. I'm happy I could help. Let's go home.
Yes, I'll take my medicine, drink water, and sleep early tonight.
Get well soon, Mina. Next time, you can go alone if needed.
I'm not scared anymore. Thank you, Ken. I feel better now.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.
How was that? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Let's repeat the question from the beginning one more time. What 3 things does Mina need to bring to the hospital? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, write it in the comments. Practicing English output this way improves your skills faster. On this channel, I share slow, easy English stories with practical expressions for daily life. I will keep uploading videos like this, so please subscribe, like, and comment. I also offer channel memberships if you'd like to support. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Goodbye.